Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to block ads on iPhone. Firstly, you need to install an ad blocker app in the App Store. Recommended options include Total Ad Block, AdGuard, OneBlock or AdBlock Pro for Safari. Just go to the App Store, search and install your chosen ad blocker. Once installed, go back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down in Settings and tap Safari. Look for the option Extensions or Content Blockers and tap it. You'll see the ad blockers you installed. Now toggle the switch on to next to the blocker. If the app provides multiple blockers, just turn them all on for full coverage. Some ad blockers like AdGuard allows limited blocking inside other apps, but due to Apple restrictions, it won't work for every app. And that's it. Now Safari will load without pop-ups, banners or video ads. Most websites will load faster and you'll use less mobile data. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.